Congress. Nice. Next one. Plus 9
9
plus 40
plus 40
plus 50
plus 50
minus 66.
minus 66.
What is the answer?
33.
Okay, super. Plus 21
21
plus 23
plus 23
plus 55
plus 55
minus 45
minus 45
minus 54.
minus 54.
What is the answer?
0.
Yes, super. Okay, last. Okay, let's go. That is the last 24 minus, sorry for that.
24
Plus 24
24
plus 25
plus 25
plus 200
plus 200
minus 149
149
plus 50.
plus 50
What is the answer?
150.
Yes, super. Last question is the very toughest question. It's the very correct answer. Okay, nice. Nanda Gopal. Well done.